Okay, done. So now I'm sharing my screen. It's live. So we're coming back. So I shared the document to you. It's no issue. Now getting minimized. So now it's fine. Okay, right. Thank you. So synthetic division has been used to divide a polynomial with another polynomial. Mainly, this must be a simple factor, which is ax plus b or x. Okay, I'll take a blue pen. So here what happens? So in the second question, so we should divide x power 4 minus 5 by x plus 3. Am I right? So here, so where this factor becomes 0, so that is x plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay. And then x is equals to minus 3. You have to write here minus 3. For example, if it is x minus 2, where x minus 2 becomes 0 at x equals to 2, then you have to write here 2. Okay. Moreover, it is ax plus b. It's a general case. So when it will be 0, when ax plus b equals to 0, and ax is equals to minus b, and x is equals to minus b by a. So at that time you have to take here minus b by a. Okay, so that is a more general cases. But here we have x minus 6, x minus 4, x plus 4, x minus 5, and here x minus 1, x minus 4. It is common. Okay, and here we have to make factors. Then we have to come with the same linear factor of simple linear factor, and then we have to divide. Okay, so here I am explaining about this case. I think minus 3 is no issue. It is clear to you. Okay. And then after that, we have to take the coefficient in a formal way. In a formal way means in a standard way, which is x power 4 minus 5x square. It is plus 8x minus 2. But there is one term is missing. Can you see? It is x power 4. Actually, there must be x power 3. So plus we have to make it 0 x power 3. 0 into x power 3 minus 5x power 2 plus 8x and it's minus 2. Okay. So here, so you have to, if nothing is there, it is the 1 is the product. Okay. So here 1, it is 1. 0, it is 0. Minus 5, it is minus 5. It is 8, it is 8. It is minus 2, it is minus 2. Clear? Okay. So once you written, so this is everything is a rough work. So we have to write all these things. Okay. So I think this step is clear to you. So then what we have to do, So make a 0 here. So normally he did mention nothing. Make a 0. 1 plus 0 will be 1. So this is 1. And this 1 into this minus 3. 1 times minus 3. Mhm. It's negative 3. So next, add these two. 0 plus minus 3 means 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Minus 3 times minus 3. Positive 9, make it positive 9. Again, add it. 9 minus 5. 4 times minus 3. Minus 12. 8 minus 12 means you are adding. Actually, we are not doing subtracting. It already minus sign is there. So it is 8 minus 12 is minus 4. And minus 4 times minus 3 is plus 12. And it is positive 12 minus 2 is nothing but 10. Okay. So here, so it is just remove all these things. So we got this line, we got this line, and we got all. Okay. So I'm doing all marks. So now what happens? So your x power 4, it is minus, it is 0, plus it's a minus 5x square, and it is okay. So we have to mark these or with another case. This is another case. This is remainder. This is remainder, and this is quotient. This is quotient. And here you have to write it is minus 4. It is x coefficient. So plus 4x. And this x square coefficient. It is minus 3x square. It is x cube coefficient. It is x cube. Okay. And this is a reminder. This is a reminder. This is a reminder. And how can we write, do you know? So which can be written as um, x power 4 minus 5x square plus 8x minus 2 by x minus 3, x plus 3 is equals to quotient plus remainder, which is x cube minus 3x square. So uh, plus it is, we have to write like this even. We have to write this is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 4 into x minus 3. And this is a reminder we have to add last. So this is the equation. Okay. So in generally, for example, we have something 10 is a number, there is a 3 is another number. So 3 is a 9, and the remainder will be 1. Okay. So this is that quotient. We call it as Q. Okay. And this remainder. This is called R. Okay. So this is a division. This is a traditional long division. This is traditional long division, and this is synthetic division. But it is the numbers. It is the polynomials. Is it clear? So now I am removing this traditional, and just we have to keep it like that. Okay. So now explain what colored numbers represent the division problem. So it is a quotient. It is a remainder. Red colors are quotient. Blue color is remainder of the division. Okay. So here you can explain. Here you can explain. The red colors are the red colors are coefficients of coefficients of coefficients of quotient function, quotient, and uh, blue color. Blue color or blue is remainder. Blue is remainder. So this is the explanation for the problem. Okay. So, and this is a standard form of the notation after the division. Okay. So this is your quotient, and that is a remainder. Okay. So now divide the polynomials using long division. So it is a traditional long division method. Okay. So I'm coming to here in the next page. I'm taking one page in the middle. Okay. So why should we take in the one page middle? I'm adding the next page. Okay. By tool insert. Okay. So I'm getting back here. So I'm taking these two questions. Okay. So what is the first question? 3. Okay. So this is dividend, this is divisor. Okay, so normally in any division we have to write like this is a traditional long division method, and it is x square plus x minus 17. So here we have to do, of course I am doing a different representation, so normally some people can also write like this. Okay, so it can be like this. Okay, so they write the quotient on the top. Okay, they will not write here. So now see, x is here, x square here. Can you see the first term? So by multiplying which function, which term, we will get x square to x. It is x times. So that's it. So don't do anything about the rest of the factor. So x times to x minus 3, we have to do this. So it is x times x will be x square, and x times 3 will be minus 3x. Okay, and make a line. And subtraction, when you subtraction, the signs will be changed. These two will be get cancelled, and x plus it is minus 17. Okay, x minus, oh sorry, oh it is x minus 4, I took x plus 3, then it is, sorry, it is x minus 4, right? Thank you. It is x minus 4, so it will be minus 4x. Okay, and become plus, it become 4x become 5x. Okay, and so again, how much we product to get 5x to x minus 4? It will be plus 5. 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times minus 4 will be minus 20. Okay, so you can do it. No, it's negative 20 because it is minus. Then it's minus plus, it will be 0, it will be 3. So this is your remainder, so nothing to do now. Okay, so this is the remainder, and this is your quotient. Okay, so now here you can write x square plus x minus 17 is equals to quotient into remainder, quotient into divisor, that is x plus 5 into x minus 4 plus 3. Okay, so here this is actually the process of dividend. Dividend is equals to divisor, divisor into quotient. Okay, so this is the process. This is a long division. So I think you can do the fifth one. It is minus 1 only. So what should I do? Should I do seventh or ninth or both? Ninth one. Okay. So ninth. So here we have to take the similar. Everything is similar. So here I'm taking x square plus 2x. No, I should get down a little bit. X square plus 2x minus 4. So I'm taking here a little bit. So up to here only I want to take. Okay. Next, it is 5x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 7x square minus 39. Okay. So here we have to do. So now you can extend this line, and we can make something quotient is on the top. Okay. So what factor to be multiplied to get x power 4? It must be 5x square. Then it becomes a 5x power 4 minus 10. No, it's plus 10x cube minus 5 for the 20x square. Okay. So even sometimes here 3 is here, no problem. If 3 is not here, we have to take it as 0x cube. Okay, if is there any missing? So here can you see? After 39 you are missing. It is plus 0x plus 39 you can write. Okay, so now this is okay. So go and make simplification. Okay, make simplification. So that's why I should take up to here only. Okay, so if you do subtraction, minus minus plus, cancel out, it is minus 12 x cube, and plus 20 minus 7 is plus 13 x square. Clear? And here it is 0, it is 0x, you have to take it as 0x only. Okay, so now again you have to make the same division, which is x square plus 2x minus 4. And now what we have to do, it is minus 12x. It is minus 12x cube minus 12x cube minus 24x square. Okay, and plus 12 for the 48x. See, x will join here. If you don't take x, it makes them confused. Okay, so that is the situation. So next you have to subtract. It is minus becomes plus, it is become plus, it is become minus. These two will be get cancelled. It is 37 x square. One more number term will be fall. It is 39. Okay, so next division is as it is. Next division is as it is. So here again we have to take the same x square minus plus 2x minus 4. So what we have to do now? What we have to do? It is how to get 37 x square by x square. It is plus 37. Is it clear? It is 37 x square. 37 to the it is 74 plus 74x. 37 for the it is 8 2 12 14. Okay, so this is the case. It is minus minus plus. So go to the next evaluation. So here you will get, this will be get outside. It is minus 74 minus 48. It is 2x 122x, and plus it is 7 8 plus 187. Okay, so can we go negative? So actually you have to divide by x or multiply with 1 by x. Okay, if you go that goes to further unlimited division. So here we have to stop. So this is our remainder. Okay, remainder, and here it is quotient. So therefore divisor, dividend, so what is that, which is finally we can write it as the previous logic. It is 5x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 7x square plus 0, which is plus 39, is equals to quotient 5x square minus 12x plus 37 into x square plus 2x minus 4. This is the divisor, plus quotient 112x plus 122x plus 187 plus 122x plus 187. Clear? So that's it. That's it. This is the division. Okay. This is the division. So now I think similarly you can do the fifth one and the seventh one. It is easy. Okay. So normally these kind of general functions could be given in the long division process only. Okay. So when it is in the synthetic division, it must be of the form linear format, linear factor. Okay. Whenever power is one, we call it as linear. Okay. So now I'm coming back to the question. So here we have the synthetic division. It is simple, we can do. So the next is synthetic division. I'm taking it to the next case. So here, okay. So next it is, yeah. So what should I do? I want to do two problems. Which one are tough? Which one are easy? I think this 11 and 17 I can do. Okay. Okay. 11th one is numerical coefficient is there before x square, and this is simple you can do. And here it is simple, but there is zero term. Okay, 0 into x will be there. It's remainder. So if I take this 11th one, so it is a synthetic division. So it is 2x square minus 7x plus 10 is division with the x minus 5. So first table is most important. So you have to make, so I said that wherever it becomes 0, so that is at x equals to 5. Okay, you have to take x is equals to 5. And now here you have to take the coefficients, which is 2 minus 7 and 10. Okay, in the first line you have to make it to take 0. 2 plus 0 is 2, and 2 into 5, which is 10, minus 10, it's a minus 7 plus 10 is 3, and 3 plus 5, that is 15, and if you make it add, it will be 25. This will be the remainder. So once this is a remainder, so this coefficient is this power is 2, and then here the powers will be 2x plus 3. So finally we can write 2x square minus 7x plus 10 is equals to, okay, this is your quotient and this is your remainder. This is your remainder. So which is 2x plus 3 into x minus 5 plus 25. Okay, a little bit verification you can do here. Just do simple product. So it is 2x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 15 plus 25. So you will get it is 2x square minus 7x plus 10. So you will get again the same equation. Okay. So this is process is nothing but verification. This is verification. Okay. So it is simple. It is simple. So let's go to the next problem. So which is 17. So I'm directly writing it is x minus 6 means you have to take here x equals to 6. Okay. So and then power 4, power 3, power 2, power 1 and constant. This is our standard form. It is 1 minus 5 minus 8 and 13 and this minus 12. Okay, so here this is the standard form we reach and make it as 0 here for instant in the beginning case, and then we have to make it is 6 1 the 6 1 and 1 plus 1 into 6 is 6. The addition is 1. 1 into 6 is 6. The addition is minus 2. And 6 into minus 12 is minus 12. The addition is 1. 6 into 1 is 6. The addition is minus 6. Okay. So actually it starts with x power 4. So this will start with x power 3. So the quotient is equals to x power 3 plus x square minus 2x plus 1. And this is your remainder. So therefore, so simply you can write x power 4. Simply you can write, just give me a second. So it is x power 4 just to give me a second. Application has been stuck up. Just give me a second. The application is making a little bit relax. It is making an issue. Okay, I think I should restart my laptop. Okay, so because it is the thing system is not working, it is hanged up. So please stay here. I will join in 1 minute. Okay, nothing is working. The touches. Okay, it's back. I think. No, I should restart. So I'm back again. I joined back and I'm sharing my screen. It will make lot of things. Just to give me a second for the application as to settle down. Yeah. Oh, we got it. So it is x power 4. Mm, I should write. So do you have any work, any class other after this class? I think it is taking a little bit time. Okay, okay. We'll complete this assignment today. Okay. Okay, right. Okay, fine. So it is x power 4 minus 5x cube minus 8x square plus 13x minus 12 is equals to, which is x cube plus x square minus 2x plus 1 into x minus 6, and the remainder is minus 6. Okay, so we have to identify those errors. Okay, so which is question number 19. So can you get where error is? Yes. To the 2, 2 to the 4, it's minus 1 times it's minus 2, it's 1. It's okay. So this is okay. These are okay, but the representation is wrong. Okay. So it is, oh, how we written. So this is wrong. So this is wrong. And here he's writing the 20. It is, oh, it x cube. What is this? He missed this x square as 0 into x. Okay, so we have to take that one. Okay, and the remainder also we can write remainder also in this form as it is plus 1 by x minus 2. Okay, one can write like this. And then, okay, and here it is wrong. Here it is totally wrong. Here it is 0. This step is totally wrong. Okay. So here reminder, this is a quotient. Okay, it's a reminder by x minus 2, or otherwise in the previous slide I written as it is, you can write down. And moreover, it is wrong. It is 2. It is 2. This is also wrong. It is x power 2 minus. Okay, so that is a representation. Next, factor. Okay, so given polynomials f of x and a factor of f of x is given, though completely. So he given. So whenever remainder is 0, we call it as remainder. So whenever the remainder is 0, we can write it as dividend is equals to quotient into divisor. Okay, so I'm taking problem number 21. Okay, it is x cube, x cube. I'm taking these two problems here. So it is this. And take it, take aside, and so here he given the it is a factor. Okay, so that's why we can do factorization process here. So I'm taking 21. So it is a divisor is x minus 6. So we have to take x is equals to 6. Yeah. Then make the coefficients 1, minus 10, 19, 30. And write down the first one is as it is. See, I am writing here it is 0, but in your standard it may not be mentioned as 0, but we can take it as 0. 6 1s are 6, it is minus 4, it's minus 24, it is minus 5, it is 30. Minus 30. So we got this last term is 0 or no? So if you get last term is 0, so then there is no remainder. So that's a factor. So therefore, and this quotient is equals to, it is x cube onwards. So that's why it is x square minus 4x minus 5. So you can write finally x cube minus 10x square plus 19x plus 30 is equal 30x is equals 30 30 30 30 19x plus 30 is equals to, what is this quotient? It is x square minus 4x minus 5 into x minus 6. Don't write x plus 6. Okay. And it is a general, a quadratic equation can be factorized with a basic knowledge. It is x square, it is 5 on the 5, it's a minus 5x plus x minus 5. Okay, it is x minus 6, and this will be x into x minus 5 plus 1 into x minus 5 into total into x minus 6. We have to use this parenthesis, otherwise it goes to wrong logic. Okay, it is x minus 5 into x plus 1 into and x minus 6. It is a complete factorization. Of course, you can write an order, that is x minus 5 into or x plus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 5 into x minus 6. So it is a complete factorization of the given polynomial. Okay, but this is possible when it is quadratic or given equation is cubic. Okay, so what should I do the next one? 23, 25, 27, 27. Okay, so 27 we have to write, and which is x cube, it is x minus 1. So you have to take it as x is equals to 1, and the coefficients are, it is 2. Please be careful, it is 3 2 1 0, and I will try to suggest, is there any missing term? So in the previous day there is no missing term. Okay, it is minus 15, it is 34, it is minus 21. Okay, it is minus 21. So this is a process. We can come to here, it is 0 and make 2. It is 2 ones are minus 13, minus 13. It is, what is this minus 13? It is 21. 21 ones, it is plus 21, and this will be 0, cross out. So as it is x cube onwards, it will be x square onwards. So therefore quotient is equals to, we can write it's q of x. Q of x is equals to 2x square minus 13x plus 21. Okay, so finally we can write it as x cube minus 15x plus 34x square plus 34x minus 21 is equals to which is 2x. What? Oh, it's 2x cube, right? Thank you. It is 2x square minus 13x plus 21 into x minus 1. So then, and we have to divide it. It is a quadratic equation. It is, oh, it is 21 to the 21 to the 42. 42 and 7 6 the 42. 7 6 the 42. It is 2x square minus 7x minus 6x plus 21 plus 20. What? 2. 21 multiplied by 2. Okay. Then you will 46, 42, 42, and 7 6 the 42. Okay. See, sometimes all equations are not monic. Monic equation means leading coefficient is 1. Leading coefficient is 1. So sometimes they may not be monic, so we have to be careful. So if you take 2, it's a simply x you have to take common here. If you take x common, it will be x, it is 2x minus 7. It is 2x minus 7. And you can take minus 3 has to be common. it is 2x minus 7, and the whole product into x minus 1. So here you can write it as x minus 3 into 2x minus 7 and into x minus 1. This is complete factorization of the given polynomial. Okay. So this is problem number 20, 20, 27. Okay. So I think is there any problem left? There is some other. There is one more problem is here. I think. Yeah. So next, given polynomial function f and 0 of x, f, find the other. It is a complete good process. Good question. So which one should I do? Which one you feel tough? 31. So I'm taking 31. So we have to find out the rest all zeros. Okay. So we have to find out the rest all zeros. So for that, we have to do. So I'm going here. So it is cubic polynomial. That's why it is important. Okay. So one is given, so we can simplify the equation to quadratic, and from the quadratic we can find out rest all zeros, so that to find all zeros of the function. Okay. So even after completion of other problems by you, you can forward it to me, and I will verify and I will confirm the solutions are right or no. Okay. While before submission of your assignment, forward it to me. I will review. So next, so you said that 31 is the issue. So it is f of x is equals to 10x cube minus 81x squared plus 71x plus 42, and one of the factor is this. So this is the factor means this is a divisor. This is 0 means x minus 7 is a factor. Is a factor. Okay. So x is equals to 7 is 0. 0 means x minus 7 is the factor of f of x. Okay. When factor of f of x, then remainder must be 0. And then remainder should be 0. Should 0. So our answer, the last one value should be 0. The last number must be 0. So I am taking using synthetic division. You can write using synthetic division. Okay. So it is x is equals to 7. Now don't write minus 7. So previously minus 7 as a factor, I written x equals to 7. So x equals to 7 is given. So we have to write down like that. Is it clear? 10 minus 81, it is 71, it is 42. Okay. It's a 42. So you can make it as 0. Then go. So it will be 10. It will be 70. It is minus, oh, it's minus 151. Minus 151, minus 151, minus 151, minus 151. So added. Okay, right. Sorry. Okay, it's right. Thank you. It's minus 11. Minus 11. It is minus 77. Minus 77. It is minus 6. It's minus 42. And the last one will be 0. Okay. Do you know if you take minus, still you will get the answers. Okay, if you take minus, still you will get the answer. Try it in a rough way. So in order to, while taking plus, try it. Let's do it a try. Do it a try. You will get logic. Okay. So we will see. We'll see the next one. This is equals to, it is x cube onwards. So it must be x square onwards. So the q of x, quotient of x is equals to 10x square minus 11x minus 6. So therefore x cube 10x cube. Therefore 10x cube minus 81x square plus 71x plus 42 is equals to which is x 10x square minus 11x minus 6 into, it is x minus 7. Don't write x plus 7, it is x minus 7. So now it is 60. 10 times of 6 is minus 60, and 15 fours are, it is 10x square minus 15x plus 4x minus 6 into x minus 7. So it is equals to, if I take 5 as common, 5x as common, it is 2x minus 3, and plus 2 if I take common, it will be 2x minus 3 into x minus 7, which is equals to, if I take 2x minus 3, then and then it will become x minus 7. So this is complete factorization. Okay, so this is complete factorization. So now, therefore, we can identify identify the rest of zeros of f of x by taking taking, so these factors must be 0. So what are they? It is 2x minus 3 is equals to 0 implies x is equals to 3 by 2. 5x plus 2 is equals to 0 implies x is equals to minus 2 by 5. X minus 7 is equals to 0 implies x is equals to 7 along with 7. So therefore, x is equals to 7 minus 2 by 5 and comma 3 by 2 are are all factors of all zeros of f of x. This is the solution. Clear? Uh, so for 21. Oh, for 21. Yeah. Huh. So he didn't ask the question to find out the zeros. So here your zeros are, you can remember, you can give some additional information. So here x is equals to minus 1, 5, comma 6 are zeros. Okay, of f of x. Mm-hmm. Where negative 4. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, so and this is also, here also you can confirm that. So what are the zeros here? So here, uh, this f of x is equals to, so it implies x is equals to 3, and it is 7 by 2, comma 1 or zeros of f of x. Okay, so I think it's been solved. Okay, it is 27. Oh, okay. So I'll share this document. So, and we have to go to the next one. Next document is also there, no? So I think division of polynomial. Oh, it is slideshow. Okay. So let's go a little bit whatever he said that here. Okay. Divide a polynomial by another polynomial, divide a polynomial by long division, divide a polynomial with synthetic division, related division, with its factoring, related factors with zeros or roots. Okay. So here it is warm up, Google Docs. So it is, they are the polynomials, cubic polynomials. Okay. And just like a cubic, complete the following division, we have to make a simple division. Okay. So see, generally we write another kind of notation. So they will write the quotient on the top. Okay. And next, so this is a division. This is a quotient. I said it is a quotient. It is a dividend. It is a divisor. It's a remainder. So you have to write like this. Okay. So here, dividend upon divisor is equals to quotient plus remainder by divisor. Or otherwise, you can also write it as f of x is equals to q of x, quotient into divisor d of x, plus r of x. So actually this is the most standard form. Okay, so here he written f of x by d of x equals to q of x plus r of x by d of x, or it can written as it's the most standard form as well. There is a division algorithm in mathematics. So when a comma b are any two numbers such that a is greater than b, so then there are some q comma r, unique q comma r, such that a is equals to bq plus r. So who is q? Q is quotient, r is remainder. Okay, so this is a standard, this is a general notation of it's a division algorithm. It is called division algorithm. Okay, how to divide the things, and this will be helpful in the HCF. This kind of notation could be helpful in the HCF factorization, finding the zeros and all. There are a lot of consequent results with the help of this division algorithm and this kind of division. See, so take this. If 0 is not there, so you have to keep it up 0. X square term is not there, so here it is missing. So we have to find out the missing and do this kind of division, then do this kind of division. So at the end, when it's a remainder, it's a division. Coefficient power is less than to these two, so you have to stop there. This is just like this kind of division. Okay. Then after that, it is a quotient with another function. It's the same. How to write? It is f of x by d of x is equals. This is a quotient. This is a quotient, okay, and it is a remainder by f of x. Come here, and it is activities you can try for the long division. It is a long division. Okay. Next practice. It is a synthetic. So they are the coefficients. Okay, it is here x cube, x square, x and 2. So first of all, concentrate, is there any term missing or no? And then x minus 2, and take process. It's a long division, and here just simply take the coefficients and simplify it. You will get this kind of division using the synthetic division. Again, when remainder is 0, then divisor is a factor. When the remainder is 0, if there is no something is there, so how you can write? If r of x is 0, so f of x can be written as q of x into d of x, and therefore d of x will be the factor. D of x will be the factor, or even q of x is a factor. Both are the factors. Okay, so d of x and q of x both are the factors. If remainder is 0, or if the factor is there, then the remainder is 0. Okay, that thing. So this is the case. This is the case. In some differences, they might represent with cross. Okay, and here, so once we got this factorization, so we can do with the general factorization. So it's a factor trinomial, so you can get the result with the zeros. And another one here, he is asking find another 0. So we'll get up to here, and once you reach, so you have to get up to this factorization. So the zeros are 2, minus 3, minus 6. So it is minus 3 is the another root. Or here, what see, there is a reverse approach is also there. Okay, if you don't want to do the entire process, so it's the MCQ only. You can try directly. So substitute this one, substitute this one, substitute this one, substitute this one. Whoever gives 0, that will be 0. Are you getting the logic? Substitute. Find out f of minus 6, or f of minus 3, or f of minus 2, or f of 3. So whoever gives the 0, they are the hero. Okay. Similarly, using synthetic division, you can do synthetic division and complete factorization. They are the cubic polynomial, then only that's why we will get this kind of factors. Otherwise, it's not possible. Find the other zeros. If f of minus 2 is 0, means x is equals to minus 2 is a 0, means x plus 2 is a factor. So using x plus 2, you have to find out the division with the synthetic division process, and that's it. Okay. So this is for today. So I will share these two documents to you written. Okay. So I will stop here. This is my live stream, and